How is Argentina seeking to develop its own AG market?
Yes, we finished a new survey, or a national new survey on biogas plants. There are 120 plants already operating in Argentina. Uh, they are covering different sectors, mainly the agriculture sector and the agro-industrial sector, with very broad different technologies, coming complete mixed digesters to USB digesters. And regarding the technology that we are using, nearly 50% of the private projects are using international technology, and the rest are, there are some very few industries or companies developing the biogas in Argentina. Regarding the promotion we have 3 different laws promoting renewable energies in Argentina. One focus on biofuels that has developed a huge industry on the biodiesel and bioethanol sector in the last 7 or 8 years, and biogas is coming a bit behind, but we are very optimistic on the next years that this industry will grow. Argentina is a huge producer of biomass. We produce food for more than 450 million people, so that gives you an idea of the amount of residues, of agricultural residues and food residues that are there in the country. In my institute, I work for the National Institute of Agricultural Technology that covers the whole country, and we've been doing several surveys on the residue availability, putting into GIS system, geographical information systems. So now we have a very good perspective on the amount of residues available in different parts of the country. So this is a very good starting point, and we are willing to share this information to anybody in the UK interested in investing in Argentina. Another challenging situation is regarding the agriculture sector specifically, is that 80% of our crops are done in no-tillage, so that's a challenging point, especially regarding the digested use and how you can return that into the field. So this is another issue we have to tackle in the next years.
Is there any feed-in tariff incentive scheme?
Regarding incentives, in those laws in the country have specific incentives and tariff for electricity, and we also are realizing now there's a huge potential on the either raw or purified biogas use, either for cooking or the national gas grid. We have a very huge gas grid, and another potential is the vehicles running on natural gas. We have an enormous fleet, over 3 million cars running. So we foresee that in next years we can, using mass balance and injecting renewable methane into the grid, we could make people get more money for the gas that they are producing.